Greg's Tale. Once there was a gorgeous dinosaur, Greg. He lived in a forest with many other dinosaurs. Greg was a ferocious one, with teeth so sharp that the moment he bared them all, small dinosaurs could hide. One day, as Greg chased prey, he ran as fast as he could. While passing through a tree, his tail got stuck between two large branches. Stopped with a sudden jerk, Greg struggled to escape from the tight hold. A group of baby dinosaurs was playing nearby. Seeing the ferocious Greg stuck, they started making fun of him, jumping and jiggling their little tails. At first, Greg couldn't control himself and joined the younger ones in the dance, jiggling his stuck tail. Suddenly, the branches lost their hold and Greg's tail was free. Seeing him free, all the baby dinosaurs ran away and Greg sprinted home, laughing at the silliness. Greed, recipe for loss. Once a dinosaur was roaming in the forest in search of prey. Luckily, he saw a Delong dinosaur sleeping under a tree. He was delighted to get an easy meal. The dinosaur was about to spring at the sleeping Delong when he caught sight of a Gasparinisaura dinosaur passing by. He decided to go for the bigger prey for a fuller meal. So he chased the Gasparinisaura but failed to catch it. Disappointed, he gave up and returned to where the Delong dinosaur was. Reaching there, the dinosaur saw that the Delong had gone. As it was getting dark, it got difficult for the dinosaur to look for another prey. So he had to remain hungry. Had I settled for the Delong, I would not be starving right now. Greed causes loss of what we already have, murmured the sad dinosaur, trying to sleep. Unused Treasure. Once upon a time, there was an old miser, Magyarosaurus dinosaur. He had a lot of treasure and used to hide it at the foot of a nearby tree. But every day he'd go and dig it up and gloat over it all. One day a thief dinosaur noticed this. He dug up the treasure and disappeared with it. When the Magyarosaurus returned to gloat over his treasure, he found nothing but the empty hole. He beat his tail, scratched with his paws, and raised such an outcry that all other dinosaurs gathered around. The Magyarosaurus told them how he used to come and admire his treasure. "When did you last use any of it?" one dino asked. "Never," said he. "I only came to look at it." "Then why cry? Just go and look at the hole," said a dino. "It will do you just as much good." The Daydreaming Polly. Once upon a time, there was a dinosaur family living in a dino village. Mummy Dino used to make different items to be sold in the market. Just like every day, Polly got ready and went to her mother. That day, Mummy Dino had made paper toys. Excited, Polly put them in her basket and left. On her way to the market, she thought, "I will sell all the toys and buy myself new storybooks and delicious things to eat." Soon, Polly reached the market and set her basket down. A strong gush of wind blew the toys out of the basket. Polly rushed after them, but couldn't catch any. Polly returned home. Crying, she said to her mummy, "I couldn't sell any of the toys. The wind ruined them. I can't buy anything now." Smiling, Mummy Dino said, "Do not count your chickens before they are hatched."
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.